When we talk about the waves, then we understand that there are many, I mean a lot of waves. But one which specifically blows my mind away is the EM wave. The EM stand for electro and magnetic. But these type of words, that is electro and magnetic, are two different types of thing. That's what makes the EM wave special. Because these waves are vibrating sinusoidally perpendicular to the each other and perpendicular to the direction of propagation. So, what is an EM wave? It is the wave having electric and magnetic field which are going, which are traveling, which are propagating in sinusoidal manner perpendicular to each other and perpendicular to the mode of propagation, direction of propagation, I would say. And these waves are one of the craziest one. Their direction is shown, their many things are shown, like the cross product of a E vector and B vector, that is the electric field and magnetic field, will give you the direction of the wave. And also these are one of the most important waves. There's a whole broad spectrum of waves in that. A crazy statement that would help you in remembering these EM waves is that raging Martians invaded Venus using guns. That is thing. So raging are for some. I am going to talk about the statement and what it means. So raging Martians, right? So R stand for radio waves and Martians M stand for microwave waves. And raging Martian is done now. After that, invaded for I, which transfers to infrared, which is one of the crazy one. Let me tell you something about the infrared ones, that they are very sedentary, that they are incident on every object, and whichever object they are incident on, it gives them hotness. Every hot object releases these type of waves. These waves do not require any particular method to generate, because radio requires electric charges accelerated. So that's how radio is generated. Micrometer microwaves are also required some specific condition, that is in a oscillators a charge particles is moving and inside that there are inductor and conductor, so micrometer waves are generated. But in infrared they are just easily radiated through hot object. No need to generation. Their properties are very cool as well, because they can penetrate through cloud covers and moist fog and mist, everything. They can penetrate through that. Also, IR are very important in our day to day life as well. How are they? So let's understand their uses. They are first of all used for remote sensing. Just mic drop, remote sensing. After that, there are also many uses of that, because they are used for finding diagnosis of a specialized tumor, any specific tumor that is present there. They are also used for identifying that. Also they are used for varicose vein. Varicose vein is a condition in which in your leg there are veins that are coming out. So it is also used for diagnosis and treatment of that. IR waves are used for treatment of infantile paralysis. They are also useful for that treatment. These kids, these people do not have strong formation of their bones in their lower region. Infantile paralysis. That's the name. Also, they are also used for joining the fractures, dislocations, and many more. So IR are very important. They are one of the most helpful one in our day to day life, because they are providing us medical help also with very information to the surrounding. Now, among these, the most common one and the most well known one is the visible light. It is the one which we are able to see from 450 460 nanometers to 700 nanometers. That's the range. Now these wavelengths are very important to us because they help us to identify our surrounding, be aware of our surrounding. So they are important to us, so should be to you as well. Thank you.